Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you modules in Vuex. It's a very interesting and very useful topic. So let's get started with today's video. So till now we have seen CRUD operations in Vuex. So we have seen all mutations, actions, getter, states. So now let's see modules in this video. So modules is like let's say user you have. So that's a module in your project. And if let's say user may have some roles, so that can have another module in your project. So you can create two different modules of like stores, and then you can load these two modules into your Vuex store. So let's see how we can do that. Store, as of now you can see user list and edit form. These are our mutations, these are actions that we have created in previous videos, and getters module. Let's create another file, user store.js, and we will be moving this all getters, actions, states into this user store because these are related to one module here, all related to like basically users. So let's copy all the things and now let's paste inside user store. Let's export this user module. So write const, let's say user module, and in the starting add export. In view store, let's get axios also because now here we are not using that, we will be importing in our user module. So before export, let's write this. Now here let's import user module. So write import user module from user store, and in create store write module and pass as key value pair object, basically write user and get user module. So list is still visible after changing to module. Let's go to edit. Edit having some issues. So here you can see cannot read properties of undefined because now it's changed to module. So we need to add module name there, that is user. So here you can see only like we are getting from API, but we are not able to display that. So you can click and in sources you can see it's giving in form error. So we need to change this computed form property. This will be state.user.form because user is our module now. So directly form will not be accessible, dot user.form will be accessible. So now let's check. Now you can see it's loading. So now let's edit our form. Let's change email to James2 and write name, let's say James2, and now let's submit. So in console you can see James2. Now let's go to list, to at the rate Gmail, email and username is changed. So you can see actions and mutations I'm able to access globally, but while state I'm not able to access globally. For that I need to add module there. So for reason is that actions and mutations are registered globally while states are under like modules. So if you want like actions and mutations also to be like accessed by your name of module, then you can pass one option there, that is namespace should be true. So now after adding namespace, let's see list. So now you can see list is not displayed now. So here in dispatch we need to pass our module name, that will be user slash get user list now. So now also change users. So here I'll be passing with getters user slash get users by gender. So now if I'll refresh, you can see I'm getting list of users, but it's not displayed. Even total rows also not displayed. So for total rows, similarly, we need to pass. So with getters, write user slash total users. So now let's check in browser. So total rows is displayed, but data is not still displayed. Let's see store. So in store, you can see it's returning one function. So we need to call it here a little bit different. Let's hold this in a variable. So write let user list, and that will be equal to getter user get users by gender, and will be returning users as a like function is called. So now let's check in browser. So now you can see list is displayed. So now one module we have. So let's say you have another module, let's say user having some roles. So let's create another store, role store.js. So this will be holding all roles related stuff. So let's create this Axios and let's change the name to role module. And in view store, let's import this similar to user module, right? Role module, import from role module. Now write module role, let's say role module. Okay, form I need to change, that is role store here. So role module I have just shown you to know that how you can use two modules into your project. I'm not going in deep of that. So that's all in this video. I've shown you how you can use modules into your project. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.